It all began in Mexico with a leaking gasoline pipeline owned by Pemex, the state oil company. Locals were the first to arrive to the scene. With buckets in hand, men, women, and children approached the location in hopes of getting the liquid gold. Illegally extracting, possessing, or safeguarding petrochemicals from pipelines is a federal crime in Mexico and punishable with up to 20 years in prison. This meant that all of those present knew they were taking a risk to possibly face jail time. But there was an even greater risk. They were literally gambling with their lives in a highly flammable environment. Reports of residents collecting what appeared to be fuel in the San Primitivo district of the town started circulating on social media during the afternoon of January 18th of 2019. A video shot earlier and later uploaded to YouTube showed local residents with buckets, jerry cans, and water bottles swarming around a large petrol fountain coming from a rupture in the pipeline. Witnesses interviewed later on a local television spoke of a crowd numbering in the hundreds or perhaps even thousands. The leak was reported initially at 5:04 p.m. local time. Then, almost exactly 2 hours later, a spark or a cigarette brought hell upon earth. The lights you see in the field are moving. Those are people. 25 troops immediately ran to the aid of those injured. A total of 137 men, women, and children did not survive. Reality again proves to be far scarier than fiction.